jkpaper is a market leader in copier with unmatched brand value. Most paper stocks rallied subsequent to paper manufacturers hiking prices to tackle waste paper shortage and an uptick in demand. Post the pandemic, jkpaper has emerged stronger, displaying resilience during downtrends and bounced back during recovery. Despite the recent spike in major input costs, the company reported phenomenal numbers and an all-round performance in Q1 FY23. Green shoots of recovery were visible as unlocking triggered robust demand, sales volume and realizations. The glistening sequential performance validates jkpaper's business prowess and enriched history as it leaves behind the challenges of global turmoil and a pandemic. The company witnessed exponential growth in volumes and surging market share across segments, aided by both organic as well as inorganic expansion. jkpaper's strength lies in backward integrated operation coupled with own catchment of plantation, catering to critical raw material security. It is strategically well positioned with manufacturing plants across central, western and eastern markets. The company reported best ever quarterly consolidated turnover in Q1 on the strength of higher production and sales volume and enhanced sales realizations coupled with an enriched product mix. The twofold jump in sales as well as net profit suggests strong demand for packaging. The new packaging board line has stabilized well and has achieved high capacity utilization. Operating leverage and cost cutting led to robust EBITDA margin expansion in Q1. jkpaper is trading at 5.2 times EV to EBITDA and 5.7 times PE basis estimated for FY24. Now this is reasonable considering the strong earnings growth and an ROE above 18%. The Sirpur plant is operating at close to 80% capacity while the newly commissioned packaging board plant has achieved 90% capacity utilization so far. The corrugated packaging paper plant is expected to be commissioned in October 2023. The unused capacities at these units will provide additional volume growth for FY23. Now, jkpaper is well placed with strong upside potential, 55.8% stock return over the past 6 months, backed by unparalleled earnings visibility, comfortable financial risk profile and healthy return ratios. jkpaper's cost leadership and value-added product mix gels well with the massive opportunity being created with the paradigm shift in the industry from publication to packaging led by rising digitization. The changing industry dynamics are favoring wood pulp-based paper manufacturers like jkpaper. Its leadership position triumphs with critical inputs and raw material security, capacity bandwidth, product diversity and quality, and stable credit profile. Major investment to tap the exponential e-commerce demand for packaging will only spur growth. Of course, there are some risks you should also watch out for. The stock price will remain exposed to elevated input costs and the inherent cyclical nature of the paper industry and the ongoing global crisis.